15 World's Fastest Motorcycles in 2023. Have you ever thought about what is the fastest motorcycle in the world? 15. 2007 BMW Potassium Sulfide, 170 miles per hour. The powerhouse of this bike, i.e. its engine, is a 1157cc 4-cylindered inline with an inbuilt transmission. 14. Aprilia RSV 1000 mil-R, 178 miles per hour. This bike was manufactured during 1998 to 2000. What makes the Mil 1000 in Italian special is that it is still very much in use. This bike is extremely smooth in its running and can go from 0 to 60 in just 3.1 seconds. The Aprilia RSV 1000R Mil when released exceeded everyone's expectation and achieves a max power of 141.3 HP at 10,000 RPM and max torque at 107 Nm at 5,500 RPM. 13. Suzuki GSX 1300R Hayabusa, 194 miles per hour. It is a 4-cylinder, short-stroke, DOHC, 16-valve engine that truly lives up to its hype. The Suzuki Hayabusa hits 0 to 60 in 2.6 seconds and its clutch assist system. It hits its max power of 197 HP at 6,750 RPM. 12. Honda CBR 1100XX Blackbird, 190 miles per hour. With some little tweaks to the previous one launched in 1996, it's back to its former glory, if not better. Hitting 0 to 60 in about 2.8 seconds, the Honda CBR 1100XX Blackbird is a precision instrument meant for speed. 11. Kawasaki Ninja ZX14R Supersport, 195 miles per hour. The best part of the bike, however, is the fact that even on Gear 6, at speeds of 50 to 60, the bike runs smooth. This bike goes from 0 to 60 in just 2.6 seconds and hits at a max power of 108 kilowatts at 10,500 RPM. 10. Ducati Panigale V4R, 199 miles per hour. The beating heart of the Panigale V4R is the Desmosedici Stradale R engine, a 998cc V4 that produces 221 horsepower and 91 pound-feet of torque. The peak power jumps to a fearsome 234 horses at 15,500 revolutions per minute. 9. Damon Hypersport Pro, 200 miles per hour. The performance specs will 200 horsepower, 200 miles of range, and a top speed of 200 miles per hour. 8. Ducati 1199 Panigale R, 202 miles per hour. The Ducati Panigale 1199R is one of the most wanted supersport models in its class and fastest duathlete motorcycle. 7. Kawasaki Ninja H2R, 222 miles per hour. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R hits 60 in a mere 2.5 seconds. The bike hits at max power of 197.3 bhp at 11,000 RPM. 6. Lightning LS 218, 218 miles per hour. The Lightning LS 218 is an electric motorcycle engineered, designed and produced in America by Lightning Motorcycle, that has been in production since 2014. 5. MTT Turbine Superbike Y2K, 227 miles per hour. This bike can get from 0 to 60 in just 2.5 seconds. 4. MTT 420RR, 273 miles per hour. MTT produced not only the first turbine-powered street-legal motorcycle, but also one of the most powerful production bikes in the world, the MTT Y2K Superbike. 3. MV Agusta F4 1000R, 298 miles per hour. 1000 cc of raw power is what drives this bike forward and makes it a heartthrob among bikers. The MV Agusta F4 1000R achieves a max power of 174 HP and max torque of 115 Nm at 10,000 RPM. 2. 2023 BMW S1000RR, 299 miles per hour. This bike carries a 999cc 16-valve motor engine with a new intake cam and lighter inlet valves as compared to its predecessor. It reaches its max power of 206.5 bhp at 13,750 RPM. 1. World's fastest bike Dodge Tomahawk, 350 miles per hour. This superbike carries within it an 8277cc 10-valve, 4-stroke engine that is simply a dream. The Dodge Tomahawk has no rival to this day. However, due to its 4 wheels and a few other reasons, the bike isn't certified for legal use in the USA. Thanks for watching.